Welcome to the heart of China's manufacturing industry. Today, we're taking you inside a bustling factory where spinner luggage is mass-produced. This is where the magic happens. From raw materials to finished products, let's follow the journey of a piece of luggage through the production line. It all starts with high-quality raw materials. Sheets of polycarbonate and aluminum are carefully inspected before entering the production process. Automated machines cut and shape the materials with precision. These machines ensure each piece is uniform and meets exact specifications. The spinner wheels are a critical part of the luggage. Here, we see workers attaching the wheels, ensuring they spin smoothly and securely. Next, skilled workers assemble the various components. The shell, zippers, and handles are all meticulously put together to form the basic structure of the luggage. Quality control is paramount. Each piece of luggage undergoes rigorous testing to ensure durability and functionality. From stress tests to drop tests, nothing is left to chance. Once the luggage passes all quality checks, it's cleaned, polished, and packed for shipment, ready to be delivered to customers around the world. Thank you for watching at Ronnie's Mind Palace. We talks everything, never boring. God bless us all.